We're now going to have a panel session. The idea of this is to make it very open. We're going to have 4 people on the stage. We're going to drive the answers to some topical questions. So what are the key drivers that you see as changes in the business and the accounting profession?
I guess the things that I see is that we've got changing business models taking place, usually by technology and automation. We've got changing consumer demands, which is about the demography, the demographic changes that we've got. So the way things used to work are not necessarily going to work into the future. We've got price pressure, we've got volatility. And I think in the accounting profession in particular, we see the use of technology in compliance and core accounting as being real issues that we have to confront.
Just to develop some of the ideas we've heard during the week, Bill started on Thursday talking about the example of insurance companies and how disruptive innovation in the insurance company market with driverless cars and that is going to interrupt their business. From the research I did on this, what we need to realise is that while we're professionals and accountancy is a profession, it's a service, but it's like every other service. So Martin on Thursday as well spoke about IBM and how IBM started and where they are now. So I think that's some very good ideas that we can't stand still. What we're doing now won't work in 10 years. We have to be, two of the words that came up throughout all the articles I read on this was flexible and relevant.
I've had a lot of chats to Marcel while he's been here, and it's very impressive how your firm's been growing at a great rate by acquiring M&As, but also how you're bringing the younger people and the younger generation into your practice and getting them involved. Would you like to explain to us how you've been successful in that?
Okay, for us, the recipe is simple. We work on people to upgrade their skills. In the last year, we got 6 or 7 firms, or we merge in one case. We bring new partners, but all is about having people develop their skill. Someone told yesterday, we are better together than one-on-one. We always try to sell the firm. Yesterday we talked about the brand, but we need to sell people. We need to sell not only a partner, but a team.
So maybe on the subject of technology, digitalisation, how can we as accounting firms protect ourselves from this and embrace it?
I just try to be a bit philosophical and start with what Charles Darwin says. He said that it is not the strongest that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the ones most responsive to change. I always thought I'm strong and intelligent, but it seems that it's not enough. It's true. In Romania, I'm a member in the board of the national body of expert accountants, and under this body we established 5 years ago a Young Accountants Club, and because I represent East Europe, so things are a bit different in East Europe, meaning that young people are really up to date with what's going on. They're really focused on technology, and in my presentations to the young accountants, I always try to explain to them that accounting profession is the most complex profession in the world. For my clients, I can be a notary, I can be a lawyer, I can be a brother, I can be a family. I have clients that talk to me everything. I'm a business partner, and I always try to tell them, don't think only about compliance and bookkeeping. So when I have a new client, I always try to put myself in his shoes. I always try to be entrepreneur. I think, okay, if I am him, if I will start that business, what I will do, what I will need, what were my problems.
Good, and I think that's all about turning challenges into opportunities, isn't it? It's about the challenges, the more regulation, the more legislations that change, the more opportunities it creates for accountants to give that advice. And then with the automation and the machines, can only help you
take a lot of the process work away so you have more time to give that value-added advice.